In this video, I want to show you how to fix a black screen on your iPad 11 with the A16 chip. This can happen for many different reasons, so let's start with the easiest of them. So once you get the black screen, what I recommend is that you press the power button at the same time as volume up. Keep both of these buttons pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display or anything else. All right, so let me do it with you over here. Okay, I'm keeping both of these pressed, and as you see the Apple logo appear, now you can release and wait for the iPad to boot up. If when doing this you get a display where it shows to slide to power off, simply do it and then power back on your iPad. All right, so that was the simplest thing to try at first. A black screen can also happen because the iPad is not charging. The battery is completely depleted. So what I suggest for tip number 2 is to get another cable, not the one you're using usually. Maybe a friend can pass his or hers, and try to use another charger as well. If you can, use also a power strip directly connected to it. So again, without the original charger, without the original cable, plug it in your iPad and wait at least, I would say, an hour to 2 hours, because if the battery is at 0%, it will take some time to get enough juice just to power on the iPad. So wait at least 1 hour to 2 hours, and after that, go ahead and press the power button and the volume up like I did at first. Okay, keep them pressed until you see the Apple logo appearing, and then you'll be able to use it again. You can also check if it's still not working, if your charging port doesn't have any debris, any hair, any dust that can get accumulated over time. Because if there is some dust over there and you're simply plugging your USB cable, well, you're simply pushing all the debris inside, and this doesn't make contact with the iPad, and this is why it's not charging. So make sure this is quite clean. If not, take a toothpick, something, and try to remove all the gunk that got accumulated over time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, leave a comment down below, tell me it worked or tell me it didn't work. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.